Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix some of the settings are hidden or managed by your organization. This message appears in privacy settings, and in this video, I'll show you how you can fix this message, how you can remove it and get access to all the options, features, whatever. Don't forget guys to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. I really appreciate that. And now let's jump right into the video. So what you have to do is to go here in the search bar, and here please write CMD and then write on command prompt and select run as administrator and then select yes. And here in the command prompt, please, and you need to copy this. You need to copy all these commands and paste them in CMD. And also I'll leave in the description of this video the website from where I learned how to fix this problem. And you can also copy all these commands. So now I'll copy all these commands, Control A, Control C, so I can copy, and here Control V, paste. Okay, and the operation completed successfully, as you can see. And now what you have to do is just to reboot your system, and that's very important. If you don't reboot your system, this method is not going to work. So that's the video guys. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. I really appreciate it, and like this video. And if you have any questions guys, you have any problems with your game, with Windows, let me know in the comment section. And if I find a good solution for your problem, I'll create a video for you. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.